Dearest soul, most of the breakthroughs you have had been like an arrow shot from a bow. It feels like you are taking steps back at first. You get frustrated. You start questioning everything. Then you get shot out and land exactly where you wanted to. The reason this happens is because you still have your old energy lingering, the pullback, and your elevated, renewed energy being shot out. The process will get more seamless, less difficult as you go, because a part of you, albeit much smaller, is still healing and adopting. What took years to put on does not just slide off. That would be unhealthy and unsustainable. You are in this for the continuous growth. My lovely child, your feelings are valid. You are allowed to be upset. You are allowed to feel hurt. Being a strong person does not mean you never feel scared. Be proud of yourself. It takes a lot of courage to admit that something is bothering you. Once you admit it, you can work towards fixing it. Type yes if you believe in